Hi, this is Shivani, and you are watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Femina.
Apply foundation all over your face and blend with a damp beauty sponge or a brush. Now conceal your under eyes or wherever you have discoloration or spots. Make sure you press the product in your skin for even coverage. Now I will use one shade lighter concealer on high points of my face to give my face natural looking dimension. Also it adds glow to the face. Now use same concealer as your eye primer. Next I will be filling in my brows. I'll take purple eyeshadow and then press that through the crease. Now I have switched to the blending brush and I'm going to blend it with lighter tone. Now I'll do the same on the other eye. Now add some mascara to give volume to your lashes. Now I'll take the same purple eyeshadow and blend under my eyes to make my eyes look bigger. Now put nude eye pencil as it instantly opens up your eye, and don't forget to fix your brows with a gel. I use loose powder or a translucent powder to set everything into its place. Now contour your face to make it look sculpted or to give that sculpt glow. To the hollow of your cheekbones, around your forehead, nose and jawline. Time to give your cheeks a blush. Apply it right above your contour. Apply lashes if you want to give your lashes extra volume. Now put a nice neutral lip color. And I'm gonna finish this off with a nice transparent gloss. Time to fix your makeup with a nice fixer. And here's the complete purple smoky eyes for you all. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to